All of the reports in Augmentt can be generated on demand at any time, or they can be set up on a schedule. You can also brand the reports with your own company logo. To generate a report on demand, simply navigate to the report, and then in the top right corner, click Export. On many of the reports, you can also set a date range. To set up report schedules, navigate to Configuration and then Scheduled Reports. Select the customer account you wish to set up this new report schedule for, and then you can select which report to generate, how frequently you want to send it out, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. You can enter the email address of the recipient that you want to receive the report, and once you've configured the report, toggle the switch to enable it. Now that we've set up the report schedule, click on Look and Feel at the very bottom left corner of the Augmentt product to brand the report. From here, you can upload your own logo, and this logo will replace not only the logo in the reports, but also the logo in the top left corner of your Augmentt dashboard. And now that we've set up our schedule, selected our recipient, and uploaded our logo, the report configuration is complete.